is going on, guys? It has been a very long time since I've posted a video, and I apologize about that. I've been super busy with life, super busy with kids. We are having another kid, by the way, everybody. We don't know what it is yet, but this will be our fourth addition to the family, our fourth blessing. We're very excited, the wife and I. A lot has changed since the last time you guys have seen me upload, and I hope you guys enjoyed the intro to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the B-roll and the drone footage. I did want to mention part of the reason why I stopped filming and stopped making YouTube videos and creating content was because I was very, very, very unhappy with the way my footage was coming out. I wanted to make sure the footage and the content that I was creating was at least clear and of decent quality, right? So yeah, so we're having our fourth child. Very excited about that. As you guys can tell from the B-roll and from the drone footage, you guys can tell that the truck got some new shoes on it. The truck got some new wheels, some new tires, mud terrain tires. They're about 12.5 inches wide. We'll talk about the fuel economy in a second. I know you guys are wondering how that affected the fuel economy, which it did, but not by much. Also a level kit, and then also JL audio speakers all around, including the subwoofers, the amplifiers. Everything is JL, except the head unit. I kept that factory. I don't want the truck looking like it's been messed with. I just want quality audio in my vehicle. You know, when this way, if the kids are watching a movie or something on their tablets, or we're on a road trip or whatever it is, we got it hooked up to the truck's audio. It sounds good. You know, we like to prop a tablet up here. It rests perfectly up here on the head unit, and we can all watch a movie this way. And it's real nice having a quality system to go with it. Or if you go to the drive-in, those are the only things I've done to the truck so far. Everything else is completely stock. The truck has been amazing, guys. I love this truck. This is going to be the one truck that I've ever purchased that I actually pay off. I have a feeling. I have a feeling this is going to be the truck I pay off. Why? Because I love the fuel economy. I love how comfortable it is. I love how roomy it is. It's just a wonderful truck. I love the diesel. I love how solid it feels when I'm towing. It's a wonderful truck. You know, and on top of that, being a 6-seater, with us having our fourth child on the way, my oldest son can sit in the front with us, and then my 3 younger children could sit in the rear. It's perfect, guys. This truck is just perfect, and I think it's going to age well with our family. So we're sticking to this truck for now. Little bit of news. We are going to get rid of the Jeep. I don't know if you guys remember the Jeep Sahara that I bought for my wife last year, the same day, or I think it was the day after I bought this for myself. The Jeep Sahara is getting traded in. Not yet. We have a plan, but the Jeep Sahara is going to get traded in for probably an F-250 or a Chevy 2500 or a Dodge 2500. We're not sure yet what we're going with, but we need a big truck. Why? Because with the addition of the fourth child, we plan on going off-roading a lot more. You guys remember we got the Can-Am, we got the Turbo S, Polaris RZR Turbo S, and then what we recently added a few months ago, which I haven't had a chance to show you guys, I was excited to, but just haven't had the chance to, is we picked up a 2020 Can-Am Outlander Max, the 1000R model. The thing is a monster. It's great for the family. It's just beautiful. I also picked up a pit bike because I like to mess around in the neighborhood. I built a go-kart, guys. I got so bored throughout everything that's been going on. I built a go-kart. Sorry, it looks like a big version of a Mario cross kart type of thing. You know, Super Mario. I can't wait to show you guys everything. That'll come in another video, though. Today, the purpose of today's video is to update you guys on what's been going on with the truck. So without any further ado, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the rims and tires and what they've done to my fuel economy. What's changed? Well, let me tell you. Fuel economy dropped a little bit, but not much. Not much. So I used to get average around 21. I used to also drive a little bit more on the freeway than I do now. Okay, we got to keep that into account. Now I get my overall average on my truck is 18.9. Remember, that includes towing, that includes idling, that includes city driving, freeway driving. It does not matter. That is the overall average this truck has given me since the day I've purchased it till now. Now, do I think 18.9 is good? I do. Here's why. My previous truck would not get me anything better than 11 or 12. I've mentioned that to you guys in the comments. I hated the fuel economy on my previous truck. I'm sure you guys can achieve this with a regular Silverado in the 5.3. I do idle the truck quite a bit. I always have the air running, especially now. You know, I'm in California. It's hot as heck out here. Right now, it's 6:57 and it's 85 degrees outside. You know, I'm sure some of you live in hotter weather. I'm not trying to compete with anybody, but for me, this is excessive. I don't like the heat. I'm not a summer guy. I'm a winter guy. That being said, the truck's been great. These tires on the freeway are phenomenal. They're quiet. The only thing I don't like is I think they're a little stiff, but that's okay. Once they wear out, replace them with some softer, better quality tires. We're good to go. The wheels themselves, I think, are gorgeous. Interior on this truck, phenomenal. I love the cloth, super comfortable, super easy to clean. If you get this truck and you have kids, I gotta tell you, get the all-weather floor mats. Why? Because my kids have spilled so many things on the floor. You take them out, you hose them down, you let them dry, you throw them back in, they look brand new again. It's honestly amazing. I have no complaints about the truck so far, guys. It doesn't make any weird noises. It's super quiet, super comfortable. It's a great truck. Now, let's get to something that I wanted to talk about. I tried to talk about it in videos I attempted to record, and I was never able to upload them for you guys. So, do I think it's worth it to buy the diesel? Now, in my opinion, I'm talking about from my experience with my prior trucks, right? So you got to take that into account. In my opinion, I think it is worth it. Here's why. My driving style, which is mostly city, lots of idle time, things like that. My driving style, my trailer, the things I want to do with my daily driver, right? I think an average of 19 miles a gallon on a truck that is as big as this is, and with the way I drive, is great. I do not have the best driving style, guys. Truck's been great. I can't complain. Everything about it's been great. Everything. Nothing has given me any problems, as you'd expect on a brand new truck. Everything works great. Everything is great. The truck still tows great. Talking about towing, guys, I have not towed with this truck yet with these wheels and tires. I've towed with the truck many times. I have not towed with these wheels and tires. So, next video is going to be us doing a 100-mile MPG loop, empty, right? And then we're going to be doing another 80 MPG loop with the trailer. The same 5-gallon jugs that we had topped off, the same trailer with the same toys on it. We're going to remake those two videos, but with the level kit, wheels, and tires. We're going to see how that comes out. I'm curious. I want to know. Is it a lot worse? Is it a little worse? Is there a chance it got better somehow? Maybe? Who knows? I'm very excited to find out. Now, the mileage is going to be off because the tires are 33s. I think I mentioned that. Factory wheels were 18. These wheels are 20-inch. The factory tires were 31, or they're supposed to be 32. They measured out to 31 and a half. These are 33s. So I didn't go too much bigger. I didn't want to lift the truck. I wanted to just do a level kit. I have a short wife and I have young children. So I don't want the truck being tall and make it, hard for them to climb in. So yeah, I want to do another MPG loop video. I want to do another towing MPG loop video. I want to upload a few videos in the future about RC cars that I started building. I have some footage I want to show you guys. I think it's pretty cool. These cars are not cheap by any means. I'll break down prices and whatnot in those videos, but upwards of $1,500 and above for a man toy. I don't know if you guys are interested in that. If you are, comment down below, let me know. I'll post videos. If not, I'll probably still end up posting a video just because I like it. I want to upload the video. I think a few of you would enjoy it. It's pretty cool, especially when you're done building it. The way you feel, you're just like, yeah, man, I feel accomplished. I did that. I built this thing. It was in pieces. So, but all right, guys. Hey, that's going to do it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section. It's been so long. I miss chatting with all of you. So please comment down below. Give me your opinions. But that's going to do it for this video, y'all. Until the next one. Peace.